Hello everyone, today I'm going to do an Applebee's mukbang. So I got this classic cheeseburger here with fries, and then of course I got the Oreo Shake. So let's just dig right into it. Let's grab the burger. Oh, there's a couple fries on it. I just love how the burger juices, and they cooked my beef well done too. So props to them. I'm gonna give the burger a 9 out of 10. Let's try a fry. No ketchup, but these are still pretty well seasoned fries. I'd honestly give them an 8 out of 10. Yeah, screw it. Let's just try the Oreo Shake. You know what I'm saying? Let's try everything. Pretty good consistency shake. Is it Oreo? Let me look inside and see. It is Oreo. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it is Oreo. 8 out of 10. Yeah, I haven't done a mukbang actually in like 11 months. Oh, my burger's falling off from my bun. Let's fix that, shall we? So anyway, I haven't done a mukbang in almost a year. Fries are dropping on my car. Anyway, so much has happened since I last done a mukbang. I graduated from high school. Alright. Valedictorian of my class. Pretty huge accomplishment. Here I am about to start college here in about 6 weeks. Yeah, I'm going to Grace College, small private college, about 5 minutes away from this Applebee's actually. So yeah, it's on the lake, so that's nice. I just love the lake, I really do. I'm very excited to go there. They are a Christian college, so they're going to challenge me to grow spiritually. I'm pretty excited for that. These fries, man, some of them are thick, like this, and some of them are a little thinner. I like the variety though. They use great seasoning on their fries. Applebee's. I am actually quite impressed. Good stuff, Applebee's. Good stuff. Let's keep digging into the burger. I just love when a burger juices, you know what I mean? Just love that juice action going on. I was dripping on my car. It's okay, this car is old, it's gone through worse. It's as old as I am, 19. Yep, that's what Fords are, old. Yep. I know I keep saying it, I am genuinely impressed with how Applebee seasons their fries. I really am. But yeah, and you know, I just finished my senior year of high school. I absolutely enjoyed it. There were some moments that tested me, but we made it out. And overall, I could say I made some really great memories at Whitco Junior Senior High School. Never forget that place. Small school, like 650 students, 7 through 12. So yeah, everybody pretty much knew everybody. And we just formed a great community and everything. Worked out really well for us. Really did. Wow. Honestly, name a restaurant who seasons their fries better than Applebee's back. Just name a restaurant, just one. I'm just curious. Very, very curious. This is a good burger. It may be a little simple, but it's good. Nice and gooey and juicy and cheesy. You know what? I'm going to do something. I'm going to do something. Y'all might think I'm disgusted for it. But I figured, you know, I'm filming. That's not what I was referring to, by the way. So, here we go. We dip our burger. Actually, let's do this first. Let's do the fry. You know, just like a Frosty. Just like a Frosty. And the Oreo Shake. Gotta work our way up, you know what I'm saying? Now that we've done something somewhat normal. The burger. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, the Oreo on the burger. Let's just dig it. I love how I just suck the pickle out of that burger. You know what I mean? I absolutely love how I just did that. I'd eat inside Oreo Shake though. That was absolutely amazing. I don't think I've ever had an Oreo Shake from here before. But I'm glad I got it today because it's amazing. They give me a lot of fries too, because it's regular fries. You know, I remember when I was younger, whenever I got a burger and fries from a sit-down place like Applebee's, I'd never be able to finish it because they would always give me too much food. Then again, I was like a kid. I was like 11, 12 years old. I would never be able to finish. But now that I'm a grown man, I can finish food like this. I really can. You know, this is a beautiful day for a mukbang too. Nice summer to... Oh, the sun went just out. I love that breeze. You know, my windows are just cracked right now as I'm in public. But I absolutely love this breeze. Really do. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Wow, y'all just need to look at the cheese, man. The cheese right there on the top, man. This is absolutely amazing. Let's keep sipping on that Oreo Shake. Good stuff. Good stuff. Let me keep dipping fries in it. Let's find a longer fry, actually. Like that. There you go. Love that. Just love that. This is a great shake consistency. It's not too solid that you can't freaking drink anything, but it's also not water. So, a good balance, a good middle ground is amazing. Ah, man. This is absolutely good food. But yeah, I've been through a lot. I'm at almost 1,900 followers over on TikTok. Not quite, like 1860. But I mean, I'm getting up there. We go live almost 5 months now, making some good money off of that. I've been through a lot. Like, my life has completely changed since the last time I did one of these mukbangs. You know? Upgraded from high school to college, and these are amazing fries. I know I say that a lot, but let's keep going with this burger. Applebee's did an amazing job cooking my beef. They really did. I said no pink. I don't see a hint of pink in this. Great job. Love these fries. This is some great food. I mean, this is better than just your normal McDonald's. Not that there's anything wrong with McDonald's. I absolutely love McDonald's. But this stuff right here. Good food. Good food. And then you got that red onion on the bottom, and the tomato, and the lettuce. Absolutely amazing quality of food right there. Absolutely amazing. Let's go. Yeah, the fries are starting to get into the juicy. You're gonna think I'm crazy. Again, I apologize. Not really. But I'm gonna dip this burger back in the shake, like so. Great freaking quality. Great freaking quality. Let's keep dipping the fries in it. Yeah, that fancy, like, you know, the song, that crappy country song that mentions this Oreo shake, that's terrible. That Walker Hayes fancy, like, it was all over TikTok about 3 years ago, and I absolutely despise every second I was forced to listen to that song scrolling through TikTok. This is a good Oreo shake, though. I'm not even gonna lie. This is a good Oreo shake. It's really white, but it has hints of Oreo. I absolutely love the Oreo flavor. You know what I mean? Like, if you gave me a choice between, like, a triple chocolate flavor and the Oreo flavor, I would probably pick the Oreo flavor, because the Oreo flavor it contrasts more. You know what I'm saying? You don't have too much of one flavor. You have a bit of a dichotomy. You know what I'm saying? You have two things that complement each other and work out really well. You know, let's finish this burger out. I just got a few fries, really. I'm gonna dip one in the Oreo shake. This is amazing. Well, yeah, still a quality Oreo shake. Let's just finish all these fries here. Hey, great quality. Let's take one last sip of this Oreo shake here. Oh my goodness. Oh my freaking goodness. That was great food. That really was. Definitely better than any of the food that I've eaten for, you know, the fast food reviews. Well, most of it anyway. There's some stuff that kind of goes up there, but you know, this is good food. Well, that's gonna be it for today, you guys. Anyway, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow my TikTok and Instagram. I have got to go now. Bye.